Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. My name is Taneol, and I'm an anchor with World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry veterans to come together to share their knowledge, ideas, thoughts, and best practices with one another, as well as with upcoming future leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings of all our industry stalwarts. We also hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leader interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other great leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone as they help us identify, nurture, and use trade secrets that have already proven a success formula for so many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge sharing community. We have one such corporate giant on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Amit Bansal. He is a renowned growth strategist with a remarkable career spanning over 3 decades. As the CEO of K&R Rail Engineering Private Limited, a role he has currently assumed, he has showcased his multifaceted leadership abilities through successful market share rises and business turnarounds, earning recognition as an industry expert. With a comprehensive understanding of diverse domains, he has excelled in driving efficiency, growth in revenues, profitability, and procurement management. His strategic vision, strong business acumen, and track record of excellence have solidified his reputation as a leader in the railway construction industry. We welcome you on the show, sir, today. So, Mr. Bansal, to begin with, could you mention some of your greatest achievements, milestones, and career ups and downs in brief for our viewers?
Basically, I have done a lot of work in the railway industry, and I have done the stream portion of the work when this NF railway was going on. There was a severe accident in 1997. And we designed and manufactured that diamond crossing in a span of only 3 to 4 days. And we installed it. It was a great achievement at that time because the entire route was in silent mode.
Okay.
Apart from that, we had done a lot of work for the bridges industries also. We had done a lot of bridge constructions, and we have supplied bridge bearings in the heaviest span for Jogi Gopa Bridge and NF Railway. That is 120-meter span bridge. We have supplied bridge bearings and installed in a very strategic manner. So it was a long days ago story, but we had done a successfully completion of that project. Apart from that, basically we had done a lot of railway project works or railway siding works, you can say, for the ports, for this cement industries. Because cement industry's railway network is a lifeline. Because without railway network, cement industry cannot dispatch or receive their inward and outward traffic at its in huge quantum. So it's a lifeline for the ports and for the cement industry. So we have done remarkable work for them. Right now, almost 50 million in traffic Indian Railway is bringing from those industries where we have done the railway siding works. So it's a great revenue generation for Indian Railways, as well as it is boosting our economy.
Great, sir. So, what roles during your career journey have you found the most challenging, and what are the ways you have overcome them?
See, in my career journey, I started my career from a shop floor supervisor to this CEO position. I have seen a lot of challenges in my career. I have switched over from manufacturing industry to the construction industry. Okay. Even earlier, I was a mechanical engineer, but right now, if you see my portfolio, if I'm taking care for all, even civil, I'm taking care for marketing, I'm taking care for the finance and procurement, all other things also I'm taking care, because you have to be multifaceted all the way. And my idea and my growth plan is always like that. I don't see any drops in my career. I always even used to study till time. Whatever time I'm having, people are used to say that we don't have time, sir. But still, I spare some time for me every day. Even in 2 years back in 2022 itself, I did one strategic management from IIM Indore. Still, I'm in the learning phase. I always think, because learning never ends. Yeah. And you have to update yourself, because my career started in 1992. So since 1992, from manufacturing to construction, lot of up and downs I have seen in my career as well as in the market itself. If you see the construction industry earlier, there was very little growth in the construction industry. If you see the scenario from 1990 to 2000. 2000 onward, there will be growth in the construction industry. And we are getting lot of opportunities, lot of diversities in the construction industry. Recently, I was bidding for a project for Nepal that is 86-kilometer ropeway project. It's entire diversification. Wow. Yeah, it's a being a Hindu Sanatan Dharma, it's a Mukti Dham rail, cable car project. So we have signed a MOU with the government of Nepal also to build this project in 48 months. It's a remarkable project for our industry.
So our viewers who are future leaders of the corporate world would like to know your success mantra.
My success mantra is work hard to know what you don't know.
Very true, sir.
Yes, because you should know each and everything in the multifaceted projects, whatever is there. You should work hard to know even what is there. If you're thinking nothing can be done, I'm used to take the projects which everyone says this can't be possible and this cannot be happen. In those terrains and in those projects only, because my passion is to work.
How and when did you develop an interest in ESG and corporate governance?
See, my interest in ESG and corporate governance truly began to take basically a shape when we steered our company through the complexity of railway construction and expand our portfolio into broader construction services. Like we are now in highways, we are diversifying in other projects also. That's I mentioned to you earlier also that we are going to start the project for even ropeway construction. Correct. It is very important to have your ESG in your blood. Reason being, you have to take care for the governance, you have to take care for the social responsibility as well as the environment in all the projects. See, because you have to cross all hilly terrains, all forest and everywhere you have to take care. So basically, even railway is just not like a laying of railway line. It's a lifeline and it supports our economy also. And if you see, you have to take care for the balanced growth as well as sustainability, because railway siding or any project or construction project or a ropeway project, these are very highly intensive because you are crossing all forest and sometimes desert, sometimes rivers, sometimes you have to build other bridges, so you have to take care for the even for the means birds and whatever is going through the forest, because lot of animals and moving from the forest, so you have to take care for their even noise pollution point of view, from their movement point of view. So for environment and everything, it's a very starting from the project till end of the project, you have to take care for that. And as a leader of the company, we have to be first to take the initiative, only then your ground people will work on that. So it has to be in your blood of for the any industry, so that we can protect our environment as well as corporate governance. And you have to be very transparent to your customer so that you can win the project on the faith and you build their confidence with the customer. Otherwise, see, because we are getting all projects on repeatedly basis with the same client, it always shows that we are having very transparent policies with the customer and transparency. And customer is having faith in us to do the work on repeated business or for the repeated projects.
Yes. So, as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
See, basically earlier we are used to do the survey, or see if you are going to build a 60-kilometer railway line, it takes almost 2 years or to finalize the project, because lot of feasibility study and other things are required to be carried out. If you see now what we are taking care as a principally, we are doing those projects in right now in 4 to 5 months time. or 6 months time. Because in strategic vision, if you see ESG principles and everything, you have to forecast all your risks and their mitigation in the initial stage itself. So as an ESG, what we are doing, we are taking care from initial stage as ESG point of view, and we are trying to get resolve the issues, which is we are forecasting it may come in near future in the initial stage, so that in future there will be no accident and other things will happen.
So what are some of the most remarkable changes you have seen in your field with changes in technology? And what changes do you expect to see with the advent of IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, and all the new technologies?
See, if you see the changes earlier, as I mentioned earlier, we are used to do this kind quality and quantity evaluation and calculation. It requires a lot of time and energy. Right now, with your AI, you are used to do drone survey and everything. You are getting it done quickly in a very short span, in a very frequently way, and you can get in a corrective manner. Even the quantity variation is very less. So right now, the AI is basically helping all the construction industry to reduce, or to say, the construction time of the project, as well as right now all this concrete, like quick setting concretes are developed. Your machine equipments are very much placed in the market with your modern technology. So these are basically helping industries in a fast way, so that our growth and project completion time is coming down. See, right now, the construction of a road, 1 kilometer road, is a per day job. Earlier, if you are seeing, we are used to build 1 kilometer road in months together. If you see our NHA projects, every day we are increasing the construction of road in a day. So this AI and all this Web3 and all these technologies are increasing. You can see they are increasing your efficiency to complete the project.
Yeah.
And if you ask me, still machine learning and this blockchain, basically we have to streamline our contract and supply chain management with transparency and automation. Little bit exercises are required in this field also. Even in Web3, we can collect the data, but we have to analyze the data so that in an intelligent way, so that in future problems which we are even not forecasting, that can be analyzed in initial stage itself. Lot of sensoring, monitoring, and other technologies are required for the construction industries also. Like in aero industries, we are having lot of sensor and monitoring, but where in construction industries, still it is lacking.
Yeah.
So we require such type of sensors, monitors, readers, and the analyzing system, so that in future also this all accidents happens. Right now you are seeing accident in the railways. This can be eliminated.
So as you know, we're building a community here of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
See, basically this team is now building corporate leaders who is having knowledge for all corporate governance, as well as the rules required or ESG requirement as well. Earlier, if you are seeing the independent directors who are in the board, even they were not aware about the laws and what are the requirements. But right now, people who are coming in the board, they are having brief knowledge, and even detailed discussion is happening in a positive way, so that company is growing in a profitable way. And if you see these World Organization and Mr. Jishan, the involvement of Mr. Jishan and everyone is giving great support to those leaders.
Great, sir. It was a fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will greatly inspire future leaders. Thank you so much for joining us today, and wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute unquestionably has expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds. Thank you so much, sir.